Bitcoin dips below $43,000, Ether stays above $2,200. Marathon Digital expands Bitcoin mining portfolio with $178 million acquisition. Access Protocol airdrops $250 in ACS token to Saga phones after bong buying spree. Spot Bitcoin ETF biggest Wall Street development in 30 years, says Michael Saylor. Epic Games Store now allows blockchain games and Gods Unchained is back. Hello and welcome to 3.0 I am Ruchi Sharma. Virtual digital assets have succumbed to high volatility triggered by recent price surge and lack of update on the spot Bitcoin ETF approval. The SEC engaged representatives of Nasdaq and BlackRock to iron out key issues such as cash settlement. Market indicators suggest a state of extreme greed hovering over the crypto market as of now. Vishakha Thakur joins us to tell us how the global cryptocurrency market is performing today.
The IC15 index of the barometer of top 15 tokens slipped 0.73% to 53,929. Bitcoin's price made effort to reclaim $43,000 during the day, but was pushed southward to a 5-day low of just under $41,000 over the weekend. The largest cryptocurrency was recently trading at $42,830, down by 0.75%. BTC's market cap has decreased to $838 billion, but its dominance over the alts is currently 52.17%, an increase of 0.02% over the day. The cumulative market capitalization of all crypto assets declined $1.60 trillion, down by 0.61%. Michael Saylor's endorsement of spot BTC ETF as Wall Street's most significant event since the S&P index has added to the enthusiasm surrounding Bitcoin. Most cryptocurrencies recorded losses on Wednesday in the backdrop of market volatility picking price. ETH was trading at $2,211, a drop of 1.7% in a similar time span. Binance BNB was trading 5% higher at $257. Talking about Solana Sol, it rose 0.9% to trade at $76.39. Sales of Solana Saga phones picked up last week as some arbitrage traders appeared to be chasing a 30 million bong token airdrop given to every phone owner. Saga phone is now selling for as much as $5,000 after earlier being deemed a failure by its makers. Cardano's ADA token lost 2.8% to trade at $0.59. Avalanche AVAX rose by 1.7% to $41.79. And Polygon Matic declined 2.78% to trade at $0.78. Talking about Polkadot's DOT, it lost 1.25% before trading at $6.93. Ripple's XRP fell 0.43% to trade at $0.61. Next on the list, DogeCoin was 3.4% lower at $0.09. Shiba Inu lost 2.82%.
Thank you, Vishakha, for your in-depth analysis of the global cryptocurrency market. And now back to the headlines. Bitcoin mining company Marathon Digital Holdings has recently announced a significant move towards increasing its operational capacity. Marathon has entered into a purchase agreement to acquire 2 operational Bitcoin mining sites amounting to 390 megawatts of capacity. The deal, valued at $178.6 million, marks Marathon's transition from an asset-light organization to one managing a diversified and resilient portfolio of Bitcoin mining operations. Currently, Marathon's Bitcoin mining portfolio has 584 megawatts of capacity, with only 3% directly owned and operated by the company. However, following this acquisition, Marathon's portfolio will surge to approximately 910 megawatts, with 45% directly owned sites and 55% hosted by third parties. Furthermore, the acquired sites located in Granbury, Texas and Kearney, Nebraska offer substantial expansion opportunities. Marathon aims to leverage the additional 390 megawatts to potentially double its operational hash rate to around 50 exahashes over the next 18 to 24 months. The free crypto train is continuing to roll for Saga phone owners, who on Tuesday began receiving tokens worth $250 from crypto publishing platform Access Protocol. Access Protocol tweeted that it was giving all owners of the Solana-centric phone 100,000 ACS tokens, continuing the trend of exclusive airdrops that have helped the once struggling cell phone turn into an unexpected sellout. During last week's brisk bonk rally, traders released Saga phones came with enough meme coins to pay for the $600 phone. This triggered a buying spree that depleted Solana Mobile's entire stock of Saga phones, while bonk has since slid over 30%, rendering each phone's 30 million bonk worth less than the cost of the unit. More projects in the Solana ecosystem have lined up for airdrops of their own. A spot Bitcoin exchange-traded fund approval could be the biggest development on Wall Street since the early 1990s, says Bitcoin bull Michael Saylor. It's not unreasonable to suggest that this may be the biggest development on Wall Street in 30 years, Saylor said in a December 19 interview with Bloomberg. Saylor explained that a spot Bitcoin ETF would open the door to mainstream retail and institutional investors that previously hadn't been able to access a high bandwidth compliant channel to invest in Bitcoin. Saylor confirmed that MicroStrategy, his business intelligence firm and Bitcoin holding company, will continue its Bitcoin investment strategy for the foreseeable future. The Epic Games Store has made changes to its content policies, allowing the NFT card game Gods Unchained to return to its platform, Fortnite publisher Epic Games announced on Tuesday. Gods Unchained, along with the other blockchain games like Striker Manager 3, had previously been removed from the Epic Games Store due to receiving adults-only rating scores from the Entertainment Software Rating Board. Prior to Tuesday's policy change, no games with an AO rating were allowed on Epic Store. Epic Store emphasized that its policy against gambling, porn, and hateful content remain in place. However, so blockchain game developers will have to continue to adhere to these restrictions. While it's likely that blockchain games offering real-world value to players will continue to receive adults-only ESRB ratings, those ratings won't stop them from being listed on the Epic Games Store at least. Now let's go to Shikha Singh to get an update on the buzzing coins of the day.
First on the list, we have A-Star Network. A-Star Network has experienced a 70% surge in its price after listing on South Korea's leading cryptocurrency exchange, Upbit. The listing led to ASTR reaching a 12-month high of $0.15, according to CoinMarketCap. The 24-hour trading volume also increased by 3,400%. This surge reflects the market's positive response to A-Star Network's expansion, particularly in the region known for high crypto engagement. A-Star Network is a leading Polkadot parachain, is expanding its influence to a Korean market as part of founder Sota Wontabe's vision to tap into markets with an innovative spirit and enhance liquidity. A-Star was trading at $0.09, down near 3% today. Next on the list, we have Solana. Google search volumes for term Solana has surged by 250% over the past 2 months, according to data from the blog. This surge is attributed to the robust price performance of Solana, which has generated increased interest. The surge is also linked to the recent rise in popularity of meme coins like Bonk USD Solana, which has seen its price surge by 224% between October 11th and December 18th. Prominent figures in the crypto industry, including CEO of ARK Invest, Cathie Wood, have praised Solana for its faster and more cost-effective transactions compared to Ethereum. Solana was trading at $76, up 0.01% in the last 24 hours. Next on the list, we have Friend.Tech. Friend.Tech, a social finance platform, is attempting to revive user engagement by releasing a teaser trailer for version 2. However, the platform has experienced a slump in user activity, transactions, and fees since its peak in mid-September. The platform's daily transactions have hit new lows, with only 2,351 transactions on December 17th, and transaction figures have slumped 99% from over 530,000 on September 13th to current levels. Protocol inflows has also fallen from $20 million in mid-September to just $320,000 on December 18th, and protocol fees have slumped over 98% from $1 million to just $16,000 over the same period. The platform's real issue is the collapse in activity since its peak in mid-September. Next on the list, we have Torn. SocialFi startup Republic has partnered with the Open Network, also known as TORN, to merge Web 2.0 and Web 3.0. The partnership will commence in the second quarter of 2024, focusing on user experience. Republic's mission is complex, but it streamlines user engagement with Web 3.0 through decentralized finance add-ons. These add-ons provide a seamless and efficient way for digital currency transactions and other Web 3.0 engagements. Users can sign up using their emails, Gmail, and other social media profiles like Facebook. Republic's value proposition goes beyond token transfer, offering a full-blown social media content sharing ecosystem that rivals platforms like Instagram and TikTok. The platform also gamifies user experience through an XP system with badge tiers. Users can sign up using their Gmail or email or any other social media profiles like Facebook. Republic's mission is to provide a user-friendly alternative to mainstream social applications, enhancing their experience with Web 2.0. TORN was trading at $2.23, up near 3% in the last 24 hours. Last on the list, we have C. C blockchain tokens C has surged to a high of $0.3, its highest point since August 16th, a 273% increase from its lowest point this year. This increase in open interest as the futures market also contributed to the surge, reaching a record high of $123 million. The majority of this open interest was in Binance, the world's largest exchange, followed by Bybit and Bitget. The C tokens rise slightly due to the developers' announcement of C version 2, which aims to make the network faster and more cost-efficient. The new version will be the first parallelized EVM blockchain deploying a backward-compatible Ethereum execution environment, allowing all Ethereum developers to deploy on C and access its quicker ecosystem. C hopes this transition will improve its ecosystem, which currently has a total value locked of over $3.5 million. C was trading at $0.37, up 7% in the last 24 hours.
Well, that's all in today's special bulletin. This is me, Ruchi Sharma, signing off. For more on such updates and market news, please log on to our website www.3versetv.io or scan the QR code.